Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about class Amphibia. In this video, we are going to discuss about class Reptilia. The class Reptilia refers to creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. Creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. Study of reptiles is known as herpetology. Study of reptiles is known as herpetology. Habitat: they are mostly terrestrial and some are aquatic. They can permanently reside on land. They are not dependent on water for sexual reproduction as in case of amphibians. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Limbs: when present there are two pairs and each limb has 5 digits. Snakes are limbless. Snakes do not have limbs. These animals cannot regulate their body temperature. They cannot maintain a fixed body temperature. Therefore, they are known as poikilotherms or cold-blooded animals The exoskeleton is made up of epidermal scales. So scales are present. Skin is dry, cornified, that is very thick, very hard, rough and non-glandular, which means there are no glands, no sweat glands, no sebaceous glands, there are no glands. Alimentary canal is complete and opens into cloaca. Cloaca is the common opening for alimentary canal, for urinary system, for genital system. So cloaca is present and the alimentary canal opens into cloaca. Respiration is by lungs throughout life, whether they are in water, whether they are on land, throughout their life they respire only through lungs. Heart is three-chambered. Heart is three-chambered except in case of crocodile, alligator and ghadial. They have a four-chambered heart. Rest all reptiles have a three-chambered heart. Brain is well developed and there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Amphibians have 10 pairs of cranial nerves and reptiles have 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Skull is monocondylar. That is, there will only be a single occipital condyle present in the skull. Jacobson's organ, it is a organ of olfaction, that is smell. It is used for smell and it is present. Jacobson's organ is present on the roof of buccal cavity. So if you will open the mouth of a reptile, on the roof of the mouth you will see this Jacobson organ, which is used for olfaction or smell. Excretion and osmoregulation is through metanephric kidneys and mode is uricotelic, that is they excrete out uric acid. Reproduction, they are unisexual, that is, they are dioecious. Fertilization is internal, and development is direct, that is, there is no larval stage involved, and they are mostly oviparous, that is, they lay eggs. The eggs have a shell made up of calcium carbonate. Amphibians, the eggs did not have a shell, that is why they had to lay eggs in water, but reptiles have a shell made up of calcium carbonate, so they can lay eggs on land safely. Coming on to examples, the examples are chelone, which is also known as turtle, testudo, also called as tortoise. Now, Tuatera is a living fossil. It is a living fossil. Hemidactylus is the common wall lizard that we see at our homes. Calotes is the garden lizard, also known as girgit. Chameleon, it is also known as tree lizard. Chameleon is also known as tree lizard. Draco is the flying lizard. Varanus is known as Gila monster. Ophiosaurus is a limbless lizard. It is a limbless lizard. Heloderma is also known as Gila monster. There is a correction. Varanus is known as Gore monster, whereas Heloderma is known as Gila monster. Now, Gavialis is the ghadial. If you will see a ghadial, you will see that the snout is rounded like this, which is why it is known as ghadial. Crocodilus is the crocodile, and alligator is a smaller than crocodile. Now in snakes, the study of snakes is known as serpentology. Vipera is known as viper snake. Viper snake, it possesses hemotoxic venom. Bangarus is the krait. Naja naja is the Indian cobra. Hydrophis is a water snake. Python is a non-poisonous snake, and it is the largest snake. It is the largest snake, and it is non-poisonous. So with this, we finish off our discussion on class Reptilia. See you in next video.